Welcome to Dots and Squiggles, practical help with punctuation. In this video, we're going to look at closing a sentence with guidance on using a full stop, the deceptively simple question mark, and an exclamation mark. The full stop closes a sentence. Add a squiggle and it becomes a question mark. Use after a direct question to the reader, but not after a reported one. Multiple questions need multiple question marks. These are often better presented as bullet points or a list. Simple choice questions only need one, unless you phrase it as two questions. Don't present an instruction as a question. Are you asking whether the person can meet the deadline, or telling them to do so? It's best to avoid exclamation marks for business writing. They can be seen as sarcastic, and it's often not clear what point you're making. Are you trying to show your surprise because the car is new and expensive? Or your amusement because he's always talking about his perfect vehicle? Or sympathy for his predicament? Three full stops together, known as ... but actually called an ellipsis, show that text is missing from a sentence in a quotation. The full stop closes a sentence, alone as a neutral close, with the squiggle that indicates a question or exclamation mark. It should be followed by two spaces to visually break up the paragraph and a capital letter. Sentence length should average around 18 words over the whole document. Check out the other short videos for help with all the punctuation marks. You're welcome to share this on any social media platform.